Yeah.
We clap here, we don't have a wall, we have steps. Every step is a different frequency. So the sound wave changes into many frequencies, changes into that funny sound, goes into the chamber, and there's nowhere else to go. What happens next? It reflects it this way, magnified. Well, that's the explanation about the sound that is going on. You know how they use it? The priest was up, was hidden inside, he went talking like this, his voice got loud because the chamber is a magnifying room, acoustic box. And everybody down here could hear the people, but they couldn't see who was talking because he was hidden in there. So they all thought it was
God.
Listen to this, listen to this. It's saying something.
Different tones.
Do you remember the name of the serpent god? That's in Aztec.
Oh.
That's in Toltec. But in Maya, it's Kukul.
Yeah.
That's interesting.